I just picked this up from FedEx just a few minutes ago. Okay, so one thing I would like to bring you guys attention to is this. When I picked this box up from FedEx, I feel like they really don't handle these things carefully at all. I'm gonna turn and show you guys this. So let me show you guys. Well, if you can see where I'm pointing at, and get some light in there. So look at the box. You can see the cracks. Okay, so you can see those cracks in there. Like, I don't know what they do with the boxes. It's like they just abuse these things. It's a little bit too bright, so I'm just gonna turn it down a bit. Okay, that's much better. So I can show you guys exactly what I'm saying. So you can see those cracks right there. It's like this big impact right here. I don't know what it is. You can see there's like ribs on there, and those are the big things, and that scares me because I don't know if that's gonna have any impact on the scooter that's inside. So we're gonna unbox it right now. So just gonna get it off this. Now I'm not sure which side is up and which side is down. This is the top part of the box. All right, so sorry about all the delay, but yeah, this is the front side. They say you will know that this is the top if you see this. This is the charger. This is the charger box that it comes with. I'm gonna reduce my light again, just so it's a little bit too bright. Okay, so if you see this box on the top, that means you're opening it up the right way. Okay, so let's continue. I'm gonna get this out, put it off to the side, and then move this, move that. And they have like the tools. They have the tools in there that you will need. It also comes with a key. That's interesting. And this looks like some kind of an extension or something. But yeah. Of course, boosted rev didn't come with a key, but yeah. All right, so taking off the box, I'm gonna bring you guys closer to see what's inside. Probably gonna turn up my lights too. So this is it. It's in there. Get you guys closer to see it inside the box. This looks really nice. Oh my gosh. This looks so clean. Very clean. Okay. If I take it outside the box, I just want to show you guys as close as possible to see how clean this thing looks. It looks really good. So we're gonna start pulling it out of the box. Damn, those tires are wide. I'm gonna start taking it out of the box right now. So let me just get you guys a nice view. Okay. All right. So I don't think anything else is holding it inside. I'm gonna move the box back just a little bit because this thing is heavy. So I can put it right here for you guys to see. So, oh man, that's heavy. That is heavy. Put the kickstand down. Okay. There's nothing else inside the box. That's it. So move that to the side and let's get a closer look on this. Okay. Okay, so closer look. See right there. The kickstand. The brakes. This, I cannot emphasize on how good this looks. I feel like some of the videos that we see on YouTube are not doing this good of justice at all. They are not. This thing looks so good. No joke. But yeah, so I'm going to adjust this, you know, bring up the arm. And it's so nice that these arms are adjustable. So cool. So they say you twist this. Okay. I'm not sure if this is tightening it. Okay. So you twist until it gets loose and then you bring it up and you start twisting to close it. This a lot of people complain about, like, oh, they don't like all the twisting, that the quick way you just bring it up is much better. But I don't mind. I don't mind all the twisting stuff. As long as this is like stable and nice, and that's very secure, like right there. As long as that is secure, I'm okay. I don't mind twisting and bringing it down. And it doesn't even seem like it's that much work anyways. So yeah. The next thing, let's go up, is the arm. So you can see they have like rubber band like holding it together. They say you just bring this up and it just clicks in pretty much. Like, yeah, it's already in there. I think this is the power. You gotta rotate it and then I guess tighten it, but that's loose. Okay, but this is on already, and you pull this and it goes down. This is so nice, yeah. Okay, I like that. I really like that feature. Okay, so powering this thing on, I think I turn on the key. Let me grab the key. So this is the key right here. I'm gonna bring you guys closer. I'm sorry, I don't know if this unboxing is too long for you guys, but I'm just trying to show you guys every detail as much as possible. So I'm gonna position this like this so you see what happens like when I turn on the key or whatnot. So I'm supposed to tighten this, but I'll do that later. Put the key in, turn it, bam. You see, the power thing just came on. Bring you guys closer. It says 47, it's like 47.6 volt. I need to figure out how to read that whole stuff. I don't know the full power of the scooter, but I think that's enough power to power it on. So I'm just gonna turn it on, let you press and hold. Bam, it's on. Whoa, seems like it's fully powered, like it has full power. I'm surprised. It came fully charged. That is good. So I guess I don't have to do that much charging or whatnot.